2015 Kia Forte spark plug replacement tune up. Before we start, here are the torque specs and the spark plug gap specs. You can get this information from AutoZone when you buy your spark plugs. Take a screenshot if you need to. First thing, pop the cover off. There are 4 spark plugs. 2, 3, 4 spark plugs. Pull these up. Squeeze and pull it out. 10mm socket. I labeled it 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. You don't have to label them. You can just do one at a time. I already did the first one. And now I'm pulling the wires off the second one. I had the bolt off already, so I can just take the coil off and inspect it. I already used the torque wrench to loosen it. Now I can just finish taking it out by hand. Okay, I used the 5/8 socket, spark plug socket. It has the rubber in there, so I can grab the spark plug. So if I didn't have that rubber piece, this wouldn't stay attached. Rubber in there. You can see it. 5/8 came right out. Okay, so we got this from AutoZone, about $2 or $3. Here's the millimeters and the inches. So here it says between 28 and 31 inches. So it'll be the spark plug gap must be about right there. I'll do that 29. That's the spark plug gap. If you don't know, take it, stick it in there, and turn this. See, the gap gets bigger, and wider. The space, that's so you can adjust the gap. So you'll stick that in there, and you'll turn it to where it needs to be. Try to put this in. There we go. So you see this spark plug is way out of spec. This is the old one. So I'm gonna set my gap right there. So I'll make the edge of it at 30. Here's the anti-seize. Resist temperatures to 1600 Fahrenheit. Here's the anti-seize. Make sure you don't get none on the tip. Now we'll just put that back. Okay, let's look at the specs on how to torque this thing down. 10 to 18 pounds per foot. I have a torque wrench, so I'm going to use it. Okay, I like to put it on here first and just hand tighten it. That way you can feel that the thread is catching properly. And then once it's tightened by hand, I'll switch to the torque wrench. So I already have my torque wrench already set. Now I just gotta tighten it till I see that green light and hear that beep. That's good. Oil back in. Pop this back up. Push your pin down. Put your bolt back in there. And that's all you do for the rest of them. Anyway, I'm done. Took about 15-20 minutes. Dealer want about $200-300 for the service. Spark plugs was like $7-8 a piece. So I want to pay for the service. Anyway, I hope this helped. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Peace.